Good girl. Mommy! Mommy!
No daw, Mami, no.
Mommy, no! No!
Bakit ba?
No!
Yes!
Para makita mo daw.
Mapanood mo.
No!
Actually, first haircut nito siya yun. Sa Mega Mall. Kailangan yung membership namin, na-expire na, no?
2 years na tayo.
Kaya nga.
Kawawa, hindi na gala mga bata.
Wala, di na nila nakita mall, 2 years.
Wow. Wala nang playground. It's okay.
Okay na yan, bot.
Hindi ko naman harap. Para punas ni ate.
But remember all the other fun things we'll be doing this week. And then, it'll be time for
Ba't hawak mo, Daddy?
Eh kasi, ano siya eh, nagpapasok yung tuhok sa...
more air.
No more hair daw daw.
No more hair na? Hindi mo isip pa natin eh.
Are you ready for the wall, Toto?
Pogi!
Time to get going. Let's go to
Sino
the
pogi?
Ay!
Marge.
Look your right.
Nakikilig ko.
Sigaw?
I know we're doing lots of things this month, Toto, but let's take it one day at a time.